to some elements. Okay. Now, the first is, what is the magnetic field? The first question is, what is the magnetic field?
We can't see a screen.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah.
So at a circular wire, this circular wire, okay, and it's carrying current I. What is the magnetic field at the center? Magnetic field at the center, how much is it?
Sir, mu naught by 4 pi.
So how do we do that?
Do we integrate from 0 to 2 pi r?
Kind of. So let us see how do we do this. Okay. See, we take a very small elemental SI, okay, very small element of length dl, okay, and we assume that it is perpendicular. Due to this dl, what is the magnetic field at this point? The current is going like this, no? So mu naught by 4 pi. IDL is going this side, right? IDL, and R vector is going like this, right? What is the magnitude of R vector? Capital R, radius of the wire, right? Into sine of what angle? What is this angle between them? 90 degree.
90, yeah.
Sine 90 divided by R square, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Now, if you do it for integrate for every dl, right? If you integrate for every dl, see, every dl will be perpendicular to this like this, no? Yes or no? So it will be.
So shouldn't it be sine theta by r square, not r sine theta by r square?
IDL sine theta by R square. IDL cross R by
R cube, right?
Yeah. R cube, yeah, cube. This is R cube. Okay. I, and then sine 90 is 1. You have, so this R and this R will go, it will be R square. And what is integral dl? Integral of this dl. The sum of all these small lengths
2
is
pi
how
r.
much? Yeah, it is 2 pi r. So mu naught I
Yeah,
by
from
4
zero, yeah.
pi r square 2 pi r. So pi gone, r gone, 2 gone. So answer is mu naught I by 2 r. Okay. At the center of a circular wire, it is mu naught I by 2 r. Okay, understood?
Yeah, sir.
Now the next concept is, what if it is due to a wire at a distance d, infinite wire, what was the magnetic field last class we did? How much was it?
For infinite wire, it was
By
mu naught
4
I.
pi.
Mu
Not by 4 pi. IDL.
pi a.
IDL नहीं, last
Oh,
answer
sorry.
बोलो.
Not. Oh, yeah. Wait 1 second.
it was
Into
u
2.
naught by 4 pi, yeah, 4 pi a into 2 I, yeah.
Into 2, na? Yes.
Yeah.
So it is mu naught I by 2 pi, right? और d भी तो आएगा ना, d भी आएगा ना?
Yeah, there's a d down there, yeah. 4 pi a or d,
देखो,
like what? Yeah.
अब देखो, important point ये है कि सर्कल के सेंटर पे पाई नहीं आता है, पाई नहीं है इसमें, ओके, बट स्ट्रेट वायर के डिस्टेंस d पे पाई आता है, ओके, सो रिमेंबर इट लाइक दिस, ओके एवरीवन?
Okay, sir.
What?
ये बताओ
Wait.
कि बोलो.
Wait, I don't understand. What do you say? Circle के center पे?
सर्कल के एक्सप्रेशन में d एट द सेंटर में पाई नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, yeah, all right, fine.
बट स्ट्रेट वायर के एक्सप्रेशन में पाई आ रहा है.
Yeah.
चलो अभी अगर ऐसे एक चीज होती है जिसको बोलते हैं सेमी इन्फिनिट वायर. ओके, ये मैंने नहीं बताया था.
Can you go to the previous page, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So what if it's not the center of the circle? It's somewhere anywhere inside the circle.
Okay, then you can't find at this point of life.
You can't find it.
No.
Okay.
You can't
Wait.
derive a mathematical expression for it.
Okay.
But why? What if you are given an angle? Then we can find it, or still we won't be able to find it.
Are you talking of first figure or second figure?
Talking about the first figure.
What do you mean when you say, see, if you want to find at this point,
Yeah.
or suppose this point, which is at a distance r by 2,
Yeah. Okay.
no, you can't right now. Okay.
What do you mean can't right now?
I mean, you don't know enough integration of calculus to do this.
Okay. All right.
I mean, what you want to do is actually, see, if you want to find at this point, you will need to integrate dl and then this. And the moment you come here, this angle changes, right?
Yeah.
Angle changes.
So you don't know that much calculus right now. Okay.
Okay.
So if they give us a relation of the area, like sorry, the distance, then you can, right?
If they give a relation with the distance, yes, then you can try, but still you have to know the relation with theta as well, because sine theta is also coming, no? If you
But they
know
won't
the
ask
function,
like that, right?
they won't ask like that.
Then
Also, sir, one last thing. If you have to find at this point, is it like you have to find integration of two variables, dl and
Yeah.
theta?
No, yeah, I mean, see, dl cross r by r cube. See, here dl is a variable, right? I mean,
Yeah.
you will say dl, सपोज ये वाला पॉइंट है, ये वाला पॉइंट dl ये रखा है, तो इसका dl तो ठीक है ले लोगे,
Yeah.
फिर क्रॉस करोगे तो एक साइन r sin थीटा आएगा ना.
Yeah. And
Sin
theta is also
theta-
variable.
थीटा वेरिएबल है और r भी वेरिएबल है.
Hmm.
So at a time, out of these three, you have two variables at a time.
Yeah.
ठीक है, ओके.
Yeah.
तो नहीं होता है अभी. ओके.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
लेकिन क्वालिटेटिवली पूछ सकते हैं. क्वालिटेटिवली मतलब कि अगर दे कैन आस्क यू टू कंपेयर स्ट्रेंथ्स ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, यहाँ पे ज्यादा है कि कम है. ओके.
It should be.
ये
more,
इसका
I think.
आंसर भी अभी नहीं पता है मुझे, बट
I think
यहाँ
it
पे
should be
एट
more.
वेरी क्लोज टू द पॉइंट यहाँ पे ज्यादा होता है ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि
Yeah.
दिस इज वेरी क्लोज टू द वायर.
So then technically this point here should be more than the center, right?
मतलब यू आर सेइंग सर ए एंड बी पॉइंट में बी पॉइंट का ज्यादा होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
I
That's what
right now I can't say.
Okay.
I don't know. नहीं ज्यादा क्यों होगा?
But actually, no, wait, you can't say actually, right? Because over here it's closer, so it's stronger than A. But then when you go to the other side, A is closer, so you can't actually say.
Pardon?
Like when you look at B and you look to the right of the circle, then B
Yeah.
is closer, so it'll be stronger. But if you look to the left, A is closer, so it'll be stronger there. So you can't actually say.
According to that, won't everything be of
Yeah.
magnetic?
Pardon? What, Aditya?
According to that, sir, then won't any point inside the circle be like have the same magnetic like strength or effect?
No. See. Let me compare. ठीक है? If you want to find the magnetic field at A, you are taking a contribution from each of this DL, right? Each part of the wire, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, if you want to find part B, again you're taking same part. Suppose you're taking in one case you're taking this part, and in one case you're taking this part. Due to these two parts, the magnetic field at B, is it adding up or cancelling each other up?
Adding, right?
They are adding. Yeah. At first, everyone understand that they are adding.
Okay, yeah, they are adding. Yeah.
They're adding,
So
right?
can you explain that, please?
Pardon?
So can you explain how they're adding, please?
See, because in this part of the wire, the current is going like this, and this part of the wire, current is going like this.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, ideal cross R like this. It go inside, right?
Yes, sir.
So inside is
Both
like
are
this.
going inside.
Both
Yeah.
are going inside, right? Very good. So both are going inside. Ideal cross R. There will be ideal cross R. It is going inside. So at this point, the magnetic field is totally inside. Now you have to compare using mu ideal by this distance, and for this is this distance, right? Okay. Versus for A, it was this distance plus due to this distance. So this is just comparison due to these 2 points, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And then you have इसको अगर if you want to find from B ऐसा right? ऐसे करना पड़ेगा, right? वो नहीं, वो integration is not in our syllabus, so we don't compare. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Cool. But बस इतना तुमको पता होना चाहिए कि very close to the wire it is very large.
Yeah.
Why? Because when you go near a wire, तो जैसे ये wire है ना, wire के इधर पे आ जाओगे तो क्या होगा? D will be infinitesimal, right?
Yeah.
If D is infinitesimal, this whole value is very high.
Very high. Yeah.
Okay. So this one is understood. Next is semi-infinite wire. What is semi-infinite wire? Semi-infinite wire means suppose y is greater than 0. मतलब ऐसा wire है, wire कहाँ पे रखा है? So only at y is greater than 0. मतलब ऐसे रखा है. समझ में आया? It is going to infinity, but यहाँ पे it is ending at this point. So this is a semi-infinite wire. Okay. So इसका result इसका at b at a point p is very easy. वो तुमने याद है sin alpha plus sin beta किया did right? Sin alpha.
Yeah.
So alpha was
Yeah.
this angle and beta was the angle which you saw downwards. So what is alpha here? Alpha is 90 and beta is how much? 0 degree. Right? So BP is mu naught I
Wait.
by.
1 second. How is alpha?
What is
90?
alpha 90?
Alpha 90, yeah. Beta is
Semi infinite है ना, ऊपर तो ऊपर तक जा रहा है, पूरा infinity तक जा रहा है ना, ऊपर तक.
You're saying to the point, like the topmost point, it'll be close to infinity.
हाँ, close to infinity.
I'm sorry, close to 90.
तो 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा ना ये.
Yeah. Okay.
लेकिन लोअर मोस्ट पॉइंट में तो नीचे तुमको जाना ही नहीं, जीरो है ना बीटा.
Hmm.
काटते ही नहीं बेटा.
Yeah.
समझ में आ रहा है क्या ये?
Yeah.
sin 90 plus sin 0. तो इसका आंसर आता है mu naught I by 4 pi d. ओके, समझ में आ गया इतना? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
अब एक चीज और देखो कि अगर ये वायर है तो वायर के इस पॉइंट पे P at a distance d1 find the and wire is current ऐसा है और this is distance d2. Yeah. Hello.
Sir, can you explain this again? I was disconnected.
देखो वायर, अगर वायर इज इन सेमी इन्फिनिट तो इन ऑन दिस डायरेक्शन इज इन्फिनिटी, राइट? और यहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है. तो अल्फा एंगल लास्ट क्लास से याद है ना, अल्फा एंगल कितना था? 90 डिग्री था ना.
Yeah.
अल्फा 90 होगा ना, अल्फा 90. समझ में आया?
Yeah.
बीटा कितना होगा? बीटा विल बी 0 बिकॉज़ यू डोंट नीड
Zero.
टू.
Yeah.
सो बस वो आंसर था ना, उसका एक्सप्रेशन था mu naught I by 4 pi d sin alpha plus sin beta.
Yeah. Yeah.
So sin 90 plus sin 0. Okay.
Okay.
तो आंसर ये आएगा. Now you have to find, this is I1 current, I current. You have to find at B at point P, write expression B at point Q, and with directions you have, everyone has to write in your notebook.
So this is for an infinite wire, right?
Yeah, this is for infinite wire.
Do we consider this as any axis?
Which axis? Any axis.
Like to show the direction?
Okay, right now you can consider that to be y-axis, and then you can give me answers in terms of I, J, K cap. Okay.
no. So we can't write inwards or outwards because I was going to write that.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is also fine. If I'm not giving you any axis, inward, outwards, into the plane, out of the plane, not inwards and
Fine.
outwards.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah.
No, not what you meant. You should say correctly. If I'm answering.
So
Hmm.
this wire is infinite, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please give me the answers quickly.
Sir, I missed the section. Could you repeat it?
Which
If you're not
section?
explaining it. I wasn't able to hear anything for the past 12 minutes clearly, and everything before that.
So this question is from the last class. B at point P and B at point Q.
Isn't it the same U naught I 2 by 4 pi D1 and U naught I 2
Not
by 4
I
pi?
I2
Yeah.
क्या एक ही current है.
Okay, sorry, I. No, I said I only. I said I and then D1 and D2.
क्या है इसका direction क्या है?
P is into the plane and Q is out of the plane.
Amoga, do you understand this much?
Wait, why is it by D1? I thought it was
Yeah,
by
that I understand.
square.
आरब देख तो ले क्या पूछ रहा हूँ. Point P पे पूछ रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
Point Q पे पूछ रहा हूँ. What you thought it was?
I thought it was by D square. Like in the denominator the square.
पता नहीं. इसी lecture में थे ना तुम?
Yeah.
तो हमने derive किया था ना D to infinite wire result.
So,
Yeah.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
If this is an infinite wire, why should it be 4 pi?
Yeah, very good. It should be 2 pi, right?
Yeah.
कौन बोला था 4
Yeah,
pi?
isn't there a
No,
2
there's a 2 in the numerator. It'll get
which
cancelled.
makes it 2
Which
pi?
makes it 2
Yeah,
down.
by 2 pi. Yeah.
Very bad. Yes.
I've written the 2 in the numerator. The same.
Okay. Understood? Good Kateni. GK. Next. अभी मुझे ये बताओ कि अगर पॉइंट यहाँ है, मतलब if the point is here on the axis of the wire, B at x is how much? It is on the axis of wire.
So if it's on the
Infinite?
axis D, just
What?
Infinite?
Isn't sine 0?
yeah, 0.
0. Okay.
Wait, why?
Distance is 0, right? So
Yeah, so
Distance is not
it's
0, sine 0, right?
Oh.
Wait, what?
See, on the axis of wire there is no magnetic field. नहीं होता है. I can't explain you mathematically. Otherwise, I have to explain you limits again.
no, what about the logic that the D is the distance from the wire, right? So on the wire
See,
counts
if
as
D is very less, if D tends to H, then B tends to infinity. I hope you remember what is H.
yeah. So here the answer will be infinity, right? Because that's
No,
what.
no,
Why
bro,
not?
no. Let me ask you, what is the value of 1 by x at x equal to 0?
Undefined?
Yeah, undefined
Yeah,
1 by infinity.
Why
Yeah.
don't you say infinity?
Because it's not exactly 0.
Yeah, it is not a what?
No, sorry.
Yeah, I mean at not exactly 0 to be infinity. As x tends to h, the answer is infinity, right?
Hmm.
But at x equal to 0, it is not defined, right? So first of all, why are you saying that? Okay, sir, if d is 0, b is infinity. This is wrong logic. Yes or no? Because at d is equal to 0, you have read limits. You should not say infinity. You should say, sir, how can you put d equal to 0 in the denominator? Yes or
Okay,
no?
all right.
And therefore the answer is not coming from that logic. The answer will not come from that logic. कि 10 mathematical expression लिख दिया, d0 डाल दिया.
Then
Okay.
what is
Because you're not allowed to put d0 in a mathematical expression where d is
So the
denominator,
answer is just
right?
not defined. That's it.
No.
You cannot
अरे
use
यार.
this formula for the.
Not defined मतलब होता है. Not defined मतलब होती है. यार लिमिट्स पढ़ाऊं क्या भी मैं? चलो इसका आंसर बताओ. 2x square by 3x cube limit extends to 0. ठीक है? इसका आंसर बोलो कितना है? बोलो इसका आंसर बोलो.
The answer for the second one is 0.
हाँ, very good. It is 0. इसका आंसर
2 by 3.
2 by 3. इसका आंसर
I'm still doing that.
it is 1 by x, no? Or something 2 by 3x, right? And when
Yeah.
x tends to 0, this tends to
Infinity.
infinity. This
Yeah.
answer is
Yeah, infinity. Okay.
अच्छा अगर मैं ये सब नहीं करता, काटता नहीं, तो मैं ये बोलता ना ये 0/0 है। अरे 0/0 फॉर्म है
So
ना,
what?
दिस इज 0/0 फॉर्म राइट।
Yeah. Okay.
ये भी 0/0 है,
Hmm.
ये भी 0/0 है।
Hmm.
ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है 0/0? बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू पुट 0 इन डिनोमिनेटर, बट स्टिल मैं जबरदस्ती कर रहा हूँ ना ये काम।
Yeah.
तो मुझे आंसर आ रहा है 0 डाल नहीं सकते आप। जब 0 डाल ही नहीं सकते हो तो आंसर आपका आ रहा है अनडिफाइंड। ठीक है,
Hmm.
अनडिफाइंड मतलब होता है कि इसका कुछ भी आंसर आ सकता है। मतलब 0/0 चीज इज अनडिफाइंड। याद है 7
Yeah.
7 indeterminate forms।
Yeah, it can be
0/0 was
anything.
one indeterminate form, right? So it can be anything। तो ये भी 0/0 था, ये भी 0/0 था, ये भी 0। इस केस में आंसर क्या है? इंफिनिटी। इस केस में आंसर क्या है? 0। इस केस में आंसर क्या है? 2/3। तो इट कैन बी एनीथिंग।
Yeah.
0/0 थिंग्स मतलब जहाँ पे नीचे 0 डालते हो तो वहां पे चीजें अनडिफाइंड होती हैं। अनडिफाइंड मतलब कि आंसर नहीं निकाल सकते आप। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अगर डिनोमिनेटर में d है तो यू कांट पुट d इज इक्वल टू 0। ओके, इससे जो आंसर निकल वो अनडिफाइंड है। ठीक है, उससे जो भी रिजल्ट आ रहा है वो यू कांट ट्रस्ट इट। ओके, बाय सम अदर लॉजिक इट इज 0, बट नॉट बाय दिस कि d मतलब समझ में d 0 है या जो भी है, इनफिनिट नहीं है आंसर।
I have a
Okay.
question.
या
Like at that point, D is 0 for the current at that point. But if you go to a different point, then it is at a distance, right?
या आई मीन या p पॉइंट के लिए इट b is defined
No,
by this formula.
Like, see where you've drawn the arrow.
Yeah, this
From
one.
that
Yeah,
point to X,
that
the-
point to x. No, I'm
the
not
below
getting.
arrow where you've written I,
Okay, from that point to x.
there is a distance, right?
No.
But the angle is 0, no?
Yeah. So
No,
then
it
the
is
angle.
one second. Ideal vector is like this. What was your distance? How was the distance measured? It was ideal vector, and then you're going at a there is a distance. Oh yeah, okay, I agree there is a distance. There is a distance.
But it's a straight line. So,
So sin
there's no
theta is
angle.
also 0, right?
Yeah.
So then the logic
So
is
again-
that sine theta is 0.
Both this is again 0 by sin theta is. Oh yes, the logic is that therefore sin theta is 0.
Yeah, because if 0 can't be the denominator, it has to be in the numerator. And I
Yeah,
is I in,
numerator में 0 is defined.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Numerator में 0 is defined. So yeah, the logic is sin theta. Theta is 0. Very
Mhm.
good. But again, due to the same part of the wire, at the same point on the wire, it is not defined.
Yeah. Also,
Due
you
to other
can't add
points,
it.
due to other points, yeah, you can use this formula. This is basically, you have to remember, it is coming from Biot-Savart law, right? Biot-Savart law is applicable if you're taking a part of this wire and you're calculating at point P, which is here. Okay, cool. Okay.
yeah.
So then what do we write as a logic?
Wait, your answer, theta is 0. At point xc, you can also write as a logic for this. इसका logic क्या लिख सकते हैं? If this is point x, due to every part of the wire, it is 0, right? Why? Because theta is 0. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any part of the wire, theta is 0. For this part of the wire, it is anyway infinitesimal, right? dl.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. For one part of the wire, it doesn't matter. For example, अगर तुम सर्कल भी लेते थे, इसमें से एक dl हटा दो, तो आंसर थोड़ा चेंज हो जाएगा सेंटर पे। सर्कल अगर ऐसी की जगह ऐसा हो, मतलब जिसमें से dl कंप्लीट ना हो, तभी सेंटर पे तो वही रहेगा ना, mu naught I by 2r. If you remove one elemental, it doesn't make a difference,
Very
right?
small, so.
Understood? So okay, good. Now my question is, अब थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना है, ठीक है? हा. Okay. See, if the circle is like this, what is magnetic field at this point? बोलो जल्दी बोलो।
Mu naught
I by 4 pi
Do
r.
not I by 2r.
2r.
इसको तो बोलना ही बेकार है मोहन का। भाई पाई लगा रहा, बोला 4 बार पाई नहीं आएगा। mu naught I by 2r ना?
Okay. Sorry.
अच्छा, ये इसका डायरेक्शन क्या है? क्लॉक इनसाइड आउटसाइड? इनसाइड ना? इनसाइड, वेरी गुड। अच्छा, ये वायर ना भी हाफ हो गया, मतलब सेमी सर्कल हो गया, तो कितना होगा आंसर सेंटर पे?
Half of that.
Yeah, very good. Half of this.
By 4r.
या हाफ ऑफ लिखते हैं, ऐसे 4r नहीं बोलेंगे, हम बोलेंगे हाफ ऑफ दिस. ओके, वी विल सी y. 1/4 हो गया तो क्वाड्रेंट हो गया तो 1/4 ऑफ म्यू नॉट i by 2r, राइट?
Yeah.
और इनसाइड, राइट? अच्छा, अगर इसका एंगल थीटा है इस आर्क का, मतलब वायर सिर्फ इतना है, वायर इज ओनली दिस मच एंड द एंगल इज थीटा, सो आंसर कितना होगा?
Theta by 360.
So 2
Yeah.
pi by
Theta by
theta.
360 into mu naught I by 2r, right?
Hmm.
Right, very good.
So-
Inside. चलो अभी चलो फिर क्वेश्चन करो. एक ज्योमेट्री है जिसमें ऐसे ज्योमेट्री है, देखो.
So I have another question from the
Just
previous
just
thing.
second.
Sorry.
So this is geometry in which, yeah, and the wire is going like this, and at this point O, this distance is r1, this distance is r2. Okay, and you want to find what is the, and the current is I, of course, in this loop. What is the B at O? Now ask you, now it's Utsa.
In the one where you said it's infinite, but on the yeah
I never said it is infinite. I said it is not infinite.
no, like infinite wire.
Infinite wire, very close to the wire, it will tend to infinity, but not. I didn't say it is.
No, yeah.
Okay.
My question is that, like, if one point somehow has a large effect, you can't just remove it, right? Can you?
If your point has a large, what large?
Like
what?
you said, you can ignore
Yeah.
the
One dx
current
you can
at
ignore.
the point, but it depends on if that dx is a huge proportion of the total, then
No,
you can't.
dx can't be a huge proportion of anything. That's the definition of dx. It is the smallest part you can imagine.
So that question which you gave.
Acha, one second, Utsa, what is 5 plus h? You have done it limits, right? What is 5 plus
5.
h? What is x minus dx?
X
What is dl minus l minus dl?
0
You answered
10
yourself, right?
So
So
Yeah.
I have a
Yeah,
doubt.
one second, Arav first.
Okay.
for that question, is the answer 1 by 2 times u naught I by 2r2 plus u naught I by 2r1?
Wrong. Anushka.
So I have a doubt. Remember in the first chapter when we were finding electric field, there's a ring, and we were finding at this point, right? So can you find magnetic field at that point?
Yeah. We'll do that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, is it minus in that thing?
Yeah.
Huh?
Could
Yes.
wait?
Okay,
Could you
yeah.
tell what the question is?
Just there सामने figure बना हुआ है.
Yeah,
Gives
but
enough
like,
information.
is this part joined or like direction of?
No, it is like it is a part of a wire which is like this, and so this part का पे axis पे है ना ये point.
Okay.
So due to this part and due to this part, the magnetic field at this point is 0. Understood? Understood or not?
I don't know if I did.
अरे ये देखो ना, अगर ये
The angle is 0.
imagine this as a straight wire. तो straight wire का ये दो parts है ना, ये दोनों, right?
Yeah.
इस straight
Is
wire
it
का
because
इस
the
point पे क्या है?
angle is 0?
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Yes.
Okay.
तो यहाँ पे O पे कितना है? O पे will be only because of these two arced things, right? Therefore, what is the magnetic field at O?
1 by 2 times u naught I by 2r2 minus u naught I by 2r1.
Isn't it R?
What it is, R1 by R. तो ठीक से expression लिख दो.
I mean,
Can you-
closer
can
is more, right? So
So mu naught, closer is more. Yes, closer is more. So mu naught I by 2. पहले तो 2 नहीं 4 आएगा ना यहाँ पे.
4, yeah, it's 4, yeah.
1 by
R1, yeah, 1 by R2, yeah.
And what is the direction of this?
It is, wait, I1 is more
Outside.
outside.
किसको
Is it?
समझ में नहीं आया?
Yeah, it's outside, yeah.
Asa. Okay, Bruce. 1 second. just okay. Now what happens if I am doing this? You have to find. So we at that day we did at a center of a square, right? Now I have to find at center of a rectangle. Now this is a थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा, दिमाग लगाना, ठीक है? और इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री भी यूज होगी इसमें, बताओ सेंटर ऑफ ओ. ओके, टाइम लगेगा, आराम से टाइम लेके करो. One second.
We need to find the net magnetic field for this one.
At the center of the wire, the current is in anti-clockwise direction. Amoga, what will be the direction of magnetic field?
If it's anti-clockwise, then it will be outside. Sorry, inward.
सही बोल के गलत करता है.
Outside.
Outside, yes.
Okay. No, because in the previous one, it was going. Oh yeah, anti-clockwise.
इसमें देखो, इसमें the anti-clockwise is closer.
It's stronger.
So it will have a dominating effect. Okay.
मैंने उल्टा समझा, ठीक है. समझ गया.
पता है क्या होना चाहिए?
So I think I got the answer.
Okay.
Can I say it?
Don't say it yet. Don't say it yet. I'm pretty close.
And then I'll private message. So.
No, start explaining. Don't say it.
No,
Okay, what's up? Continue.
No, it's okay.
Okay. So I took, A and B lengths are given, and I considered the perimeter of the triangle, of the rectangle, to be equal to the radius equal to the circumference of a circle.
Wrong.
So
Is it u naught I by pi root over a square?
don't say the answer, bro. Please. I'm almost done.
How to do it? Tell me. Don't say the answer. It is. So Amoga, you're ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो तुम कि सर्कल बना दे रहे हो? नहीं, सर्कल नहीं. और हमने इनफैक्ट स्क्वायर के लिए किया है ना. स्क्वायर के लिए किया था तो याद है क्या किया था? How कैसे मिस कर दिया तुमने?
I joined late.
ये स्ट्रेट पीस ऑफ वायर है.
हाँ.
इसका लेंथ कितना है?
B.
अभी इस पॉइंट पे करते हैं तो क्या चाहिए होता है? दो चीज. ये डिस्टेंस तो पता ही है तुमको, कितना डिस्टेंस है ये?
Half A.
हाँ. और क्या चाहिए होता है? दो चीज. एंगल चाहिए होता है ना ये. ये एंगल कितना है? How much is theta?
A by 2 into tan inverse. Okay, fine. Tan inverse
B.
2B by
Yes.
B by
tan inverse of 2b by है ना.
2b by.
तो वहाँ पे वो साइन अल्फा प्लस साइन बीटा याद है? म्यू नॉट आई बाय क्या था? 4 पाई डी और साइन अल्फा प्लस साइन बीटा, राइट?
So down.
Yeah.
So tan isn't tan theta b by 2 by a by 2?
Tan theta is tan theta b by 2
This
by a
is
by
b
2.
by a,
Yes.
no?
Yeah, it is b by a. My
Wait, so
bad.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Is the line joining O to the side of the rectangle perpendicular?
Yeah, we have made a perpendicular line
Yeah.
so
So
that we
if
can
that
find
angle is
this.
90 and the
This
angle
angle
that
is 90.
isn't that angle other angle 45? The diagonal
That's
makes on
what
the
No, that's
I
only if
took.
it's a square.
But sir said
My
it is a
God,
square.
Arav, what is this?
Dude,
So
A and B are different lengths.
you think ऐसा rectangle है?
Okay,
ये
yeah,
angle
I found
45
my
degree
mistake.
है.
Yeah, I found my mistake.
So it is mu naught I by 4 pi. Distance कितना है? A by 2, right? Right? And then what is sin theta plus sin beta? अच्छा दोनों equal है ना? तो क्या मैं सिर्फ 2 sin theta लिख
So
सकता हूँ? 1 second उत्साह. ये
Wait,
सही है
no.
पहले? Oh sorry
it's
अनुष्का. ये सुनो.
Anushka.
It is mu naught I by 2 pi A. And then ये 2 भी चला जाएगा इस 2 से. Do you understand this due to this part of the wire? Yes or no? साइन थीटा लिख लेंगे बाद में, बट ये समझ में आ गया.
So
रुको पहले ही समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yeah.
राम. हाँ.
So
और
I
किसी को
didn't
डाउट है इसमें? किसी को
understand.
इसमें डाउट है एक्सप्रेशन में? उत्साह
no, sir.
उत्साह तुमको डाउट है क्या इसमें?
No.
So
Okay,
like
Anushka,
for
yes.
sine theta, right? Can't you just directly replace the value? Like you can find this
Yeah,
this
that's
value.
what I'm going to do next, but I'm not yet writing it.
Yeah, I have a
Just
doubt
find
in that.
hypotenuse and do sine theta is b by 2 divided by this.
Can I just tell you my answer?
No.
Mu naught I divide
No,
by
मैंने
4.
बोला no, नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
Oh, please, sir.
No.
Okay, fine.
अच्छा, now. So everyone understood that Amogha, what happened?
Sir, where did the 2 sin theta come from? Hold
ये
on,
2
I'll
sin theta
annotate it.
इसलिए है क्योंकि
हाँ.
sin alpha plus sin beta है ना, और दोनों sin theta plus sin theta है, right?
Yeah.
Oh, ठीक है.
तो 2 sin theta हो जाएगा, समझ में आया?
हाँ,
अच्छा, due to this part of the wire is the same answer, yes or no?
same answer.
Same direction. तो यहाँ पे 2 लगा दूँगा.
So can you wait for 2 seconds now so I can copy that? Sorry, thank you.
So there are 4 parts: first, second, third part of the wire, and fourth part of the wire. Due to first and third, this is the total result, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And due to this part of the wire, see, if you make a circle like triangle like this, then this distance is b by 2, and it is mu naught I by again वही सब आएगा. अच्छा देखो इसमें आएगा ना, इसमें देखो 2 mu naught I by pi a था, sin theta था, तो ये आएगा 2 mu naught I by pi b, and then sine of which angle? ये वाला angle, right?
Yeah.
Sine phi. Understood? Yes. Do you agree with this that this theta plus phi is 90 degree?
Yeah.
So can you write this
Cos.
is, yeah. So the answer should be, so I'm going to the next page, okay? 2 mu naught I mean, 2 mu naught I by pi a sin theta. 2 mu naught I by pi a sin theta plus 2 mu naught I by pi b sin phi. You can directly write, or you can just replace the sin phi by cos theta, right? Complementary angle, class 10. And what is sin theta? यहाँ देख लो circle में, यहाँ triangle में देखो. What is sin theta? Sin theta is b by 2 divided by, this is a by 2, this is b by 2, a square plus b square by 4. Understood or not? Root of a square plus b square by 4, right? Any doubt in this?
That makes sense.
It is also equal to b by under root a square plus b square, okay? Because see, if you go, so either you can multiply by 4 and c, or you can just see that this angle is also theta, and therefore this is b by under root a square plus b square, okay?
There's an annotation there.
I don't know what you're saying.
There's a yellow annotation.
Oh yeah, that length is under root a square plus b square by 4. Okay. So Anushka, you understood why there is no point of you telling me the mathematical expression of your answer. It is
What?
so long.
I
No, nothing.
could you just listen what I got?
Okay. मैं verify तो कर नहीं पाऊंगा. Point वही pointless है तुम्हारा. बोल लो तुम.
I got mu naught I by pi into root b square plus a square.
इतना बस इतना.
Yeah.
अरे ऐसे कैसे देखो
I
sin
got
theta by a. One second.
4
सही क्या नहीं बोल रही है. Sin theta देखो कितना है. Sin theta था सही बोल रही है शायद. Sin theta था तुम्हारा b by under root a square plus b square, right?
so that a will get cancelled and bb will get cancelled.
But sin
Yeah,
theta से कैसे cancel होगा? Sin theta से
It
तो b
will-
है ना. b by under root a square plus b square. और ये b by a है ना. नहीं समझ में आया.
Huh?
But
अरे
I'm getting that as
पाई ये a है ना और उसमें उल्टा क्या आएगा पाई I by पाई b a by under root a square plus b square. फिर तुम क्या कॉमन लिए हो क्या?
how did you get b by a over here? I got a by a and b by b over here.
Yeah, even I got the
Okay,
same
one
argument.
second bro. देखो जब डिस्टेंस लोगे तो नीचे तो a by 2 आएगा. तो यहाँ तो a आना चाहिए.
Yeah, that is
और
fine.
sin theta, if you take sin theta, then this should be b, right?
Can you just write the final expression once again?
One second. So what I'm doing is I'm taking 2 mu naught I by pi common. 2 mu naught I by pi common. And this is the LCM is AB, right? AB under root a square plus b square, right? Yes or no? And then you take this a into b, so b square plus a square. Now this is under root of, yeah, so it is 2 mu naught I by pi ab times under root a square plus b square.
Yeah, okay, I got that.
This is the
Fine.
answer.
Yeah.
Sir, I had to
Okay.
ask the doubt that, sir, the current is running through all the 4 sides, right? So we have taken the account for only 2 sides here. So what were the other 2 sides?
No. इधर देखो ये ना एक साइड की वजह से था.
Yeah, I understood that. Yeah.
फर्स्ट और थर्ड के लिए इक्वल था तो इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे 2 लगा दिया एक्स्ट्रा.
Okay, all right.
Understood? Okay.
Okay, fine. All right.
Next is okay. So
But
we
I
have,
didn't get Anushka and Katyana's.
Wait,
No,
I don't get it. Like how
Exactly.
you got that
आराम से लिखो
B
मैथमेटिकल
instead.
एक्सप्रेशन. तो
Yeah,
बताता रहूँ देखो 2 mu naught I
Yeah.
by ये इस गलत इसमें देखो गलती ढूंढते हैं ठीक है.
Yeah.
Let's find
How
out.
do you get that?
What cos theta? What?
Like I got.
How did
I
you get
didn't
this? I mean, result is this. Are you questioning
that
this
is
or are you
fine.
questioning
No.
this?
This the next one.
Second
Yeah.
one. Okay. Again, we'll see.
See the diagram.
Mu naught I by pi है sin theta ये सही है ना. अब यहाँ देखो sin theta ये थीटा था. sin theta कितना है तुम खुद ही बताओ मुझे. Is it b by under root a square plus b square? Yes or no?
Yeah.
तो डाल दी वही डाला है मैंने. b by under root a square plus b square और a तो a ही
Sir, it should be b by 2 upon under root a square plus b
मैं
square.
उस वो है तुमने नहीं ध्यान से सुना है. तुमने ध्यान से नहीं सुना है. फिर तो यहाँ पे भी by 2 4 होना चाहिए ना.
There's a a by 2 on the
It
outside,
gets
right?
cancelled.
Gets cancelled, exactly.
Okay.
करके देख लेना लिख के देख लेना आ जाएगा. ओके ओके.
Can you explain what they did? I still didn't get it.
Which who they did?
Anushka and Katyani and I
अरे
don't know
मतलब
who
नहीं
else.
समझ कौन सा which step is problematic?
The second
We
solution.
took the wrong
This step.
angle and distance. We mixed them up.
So you
देखो ये
highlighted the
देखो.
wrong part actually when you were saying that theta is actually b by 2 by root a square plus b square, and there's a by 2 also, so the 2 and 2 cancels out.
One second. Anush Utsa.
Yeah.
If this is theta, this is also theta. Agree?
Yeah.
How much is this length? B. How much is
Yeah.
this length? Under root a square plus b square.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can do
Theta
that
समझ में
also.
आया?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, so you replaced.
ठीक है.
Sir, just a
corresponding
minute.
angles.
In the thing which you explained to me, wasn't the 2 sine theta, because we have the 2 angles of sine theta because they both are same. So I was
वो तो
asking
था
about the
ही,
other 2 sides.
वो तो टू आया ही यहाँ पे, ये टू इसलिए आया क्योंकि देयर वर बिकॉज ऑफ दिस होल वायर.
Yeah.
हाँ, हाफ पार्ट लोगे तो सिर्फ साइन थीटा आता, साइन अल्फा प्लस साइन बीटा ना.
Yeah.
तो साइन अल्फा भी थीटा है, साइन बीटा भी साइन थीटा है, तो
Yeah, that's what I said.
थीटा
So
हो गया.
both angles are theta, so 2 sine theta. Yeah.
हाँ तो ये, हाँ तो सही है ना, ये टू साइन, ये टू इसीलिए है.
He
Yeah,
wrote
ये
but
टू
that
किस लिए है? ये टू क्योंकि ये वायर भी लिया, ये वायर
okay,
भी
and
लिया
the
और ये
other
वायर
one.
भी लिया. हाँ,
Okay, fine. All right.
ध्यान सुना करो जब करा रहा होता हूँ. अभी ये देखो, ये वाला करना है. हाँ,
Wait, can you go back one? Sorry, can I copy?
इसको एक काम करो, ये पूरा अपने फेयर नोटबुक में लिखना है इसको क्लास के बाद, ठीक है? जस्ट as soon as the class gets over you write it down, then you will understand.
The next page, so if no one else is copying.
Okay, so next page नहीं है, next questions है. Next questions ही है.
No, the formula on the next page.
One second bro, the formula on the next page. फॉर्मूला
Yeah.
मत लिखो, अपने आप लिखना है इसको, ऐसे कॉपी मत करो.
Oh, okay.
ओके, तो चला किया है मैंने, अपने आप कॉपी करना. अगर ट्राई टू राइट देम on your own. Now, so once again, you do 17th, 18th.
so 17 we already did, right?
Don't be just.
Wait, sir, could you just show that
Can
the
you do it?
picture
One
of the
second.
answer?
One second. Which answer?
The one which you derived, that answer. I'll just take a screenshot.
This.
Yeah, okay.
It is not
Done.
even worth
Done.
taking screenshot.
Done.
ये वाला
Wait, where did the
याद है?
question go?
One second.
Okay.
This result you remember, right? So you do this one then. You have to find the numerical value now. So do 17 and 18 both.
Okay.
Prove proper values.
So what's the value for mu naught?
mu naught तो देखो ऑप्शन में है ना.
Oh shit, sorry.
So could you like zoom in at for the second question, where is the current going?
What?
Could you zoom into the, okay, no, it doesn't matter. Okay, fine, nothing.
I and you can try 15th also. It's a good question. X, Y, Z. Yes.
Wait, why am I getting mu naught by 60?
Because you're
Yeah.
not, maybe you're not converting centimeter to meter.
I'm getting 60. I'm getting 11 by 60 for some reason. Again.
I'm getting
Are you guys
1.
converting that thing?
I put 10th power minus 2 outside.
Are you converting centimeter to meter?
No.
Yeah, I put the 10 power minus 2
But
outside.
why do we
Wait,
have to
isn't
convert
there
it?
supposed to be a pi? There's no pi anywhere.
There is not supposed to be. It's a.
Pi isn't supposed to be there because it's
Yeah, that's what.
Right, it's a circle. Oh my god.
Wait, even if you put it as meters, you won't. How will you wait?
Yeah, how does it change anything? Meter. Aren't they getting divided? Oh no. Okay, sorry.
R1 is 10, R2 is 12, तो इसका 12 इसका 10. Mu naught I by 2R due to a circle. So due to a half
I
circle
got
is
it.
this.
I got it. Okay, I got it.
So
Sorry.
mu naught I by 4R minus mu naught I by 4R2. So mu naught I is 4 ampere by 4 divided by 1 by R. R कितना है छोटा वाला 10, which is 1 by 100 by 10. ठीक है? Minus 12 centimeter is 100 by 12. Okay. So now the LCM is 120. 10 into 12. 1200 minus 12 into 10,000 into mu naught. So this answer is 200 by 120 mu naught, which is 5 4 3s are 4 5s are 5 by 3 mu naught. Okay.
So is it going inside? Is it A option?
The stronger one is this side, and therefore it is going, yeah, it is going inside.
Okay.
Understood? A is
Yes.
the answer. Do for 18th. So you understand why to convert values from meter to centimeter to meter always.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, if you are done with 18th, you can try 15th also. And I think 15th you can do just on the basis of direction only. No need to do anything. Because all the directions are different in the 15th question. All the options.
Yeah, isn't the fourth option? So is it I plus k by root 2?
Hmm? It
Is
is
it the
I
fourth
plus k by
one?
root. Okay, one second. Let me see. 18th you have done, Katyani?
Yeah.
What is the answer?
You just add those two and subtract that.
Yeah, you just add those two. Everyone understood why you have to add those two?
Same direction.
Yeah, it is inside or outside? It is inside.
Wait,
So I think
which question?
inside,
Which question?
inside. Katen, is it A? No. Yeah, it is A, no?
So which question?
18th, 1-8.
This thing. How are they getting 55?
By calculating.
But like, isn't it basically the same thing as the one on top?
No, it is added because the wire is now like this and the loop is like this. So instead of the difference, you have addition.
Wait.
100 by 10.
So we have to do the 15th question next, right?
Same direction. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. Fine.
So 15th, right?
Yeah.
Point
Okay.
P. So where is point P?
Where is point P? Point P, देखो यहाँ लिखा है A, 0, A.
Yeah, but
I don't know. You are seeing x-axis, you are seeing y-axis, you are seeing z-axis. So you should
Oh,
you
okay,
tell
I
me
got it. Okay,
a
fine.
comma y पे 0 और z पे a. यहाँ
Got
पर
it.
ना
So in that case,
Oh,
is it
isn't it
fourth
on the?
option?
a 0 a x पे a y
Yeah.
पे 0 y पे आगे नहीं जाना ना और z
Okay,
पे
got
ऊपर
it.
जाना है ना. So यहाँ पे इस plane में it's in
Sir,
exact
you're
plane.
at 2A.
What?
Your is 2A.
Your is 2. क्या बोल रही है?
So where you
मैं
marked
मतलब
was at.
Oh, okay. This length is 2a. Okay. So just a यहाँ पर yeah.
Aren't they rectangles? So A is
Yeah.
that.
So Katyayani, this is tricky. Okay.
I just guessed because when I found like
Oh,
those are the
sorry.
only
Share
Yeah.
screen.
One. Can I see that? Okay.
Okay. Amog,
Yes, sir.
tell me at this point, okay, due to this EF wire, what is the direction of magnetic field?
It's on the XY plane, no?
It's on the XY plane. Let me check. It's on the XY plane because no, it is not on the XY plane, right? It should be. See, due to this wire, see, एक wire अगर if it is going like this, the magnetic field is circular in shape, right? Outside, behind this, ऐसा होता है ना? So it should be something like this, no? Yes or no?
Yeah, but is the point on the XY plane?
The point is on the XZ plane, not on the XY plane. So this is X and this is Z.
He's asking the point you marked.
The point I marked is point P.
Oh, okay. Yeah, fine. I thought you marked it on that line there. I was like,
No. It is
okay.
3D में ऐसे XZ plane पे, okay?
Yeah.
So इस पे, what is the direction of the magnetic field? It is quite, I don't know, man. This is really ऐसा perpendicular to make and then perpendicular. This is really bad. I don't know why I gave you this.
Is this like a
Okay.
rectangle or square? Each side is 2A,
One
right?
second,
So
one second. Let's not do the whole question. Only tell me, due to part EF, find the magnetic field. That's it. इतना कर लो बस हो गया. Due
So
to
what?
part EF, just find the magnetic field at the point P.
So is P on the same plane?
You should. There is enough information. Sir, don't ask me. P on the same.
can't.
Is it? It is
Okay.
XZ plane. P is XZ plane.
Okay.
Okay,
So
all
you
I can
find-
tell from the first off, from what I can tell from the diagram, considering the current directions, is that P will travel in this direction.
Yeah, P will मत बोलो. Magnetic field at B.
The magnetic
at
field
P.
will go in that direction. Sorry.
At P will be.
In that direction.
Yeah, okay. And how do you find this direction? You make a perpendicular from the point to this wire midpoint, okay? This point, this vector. See, what is this point first? EF midpoint. EF midpoint is what?
2A00.
2A00, very good. And what is P point? Is A0A, right? So what is this vector? Sorry, I'm sorry, yeah. I mean, okay. What is P, and if midpoint is M, what is PM vector? This is
Point is M,
P.
PM
This is
vector.
M. What?
Root A.
No, vectorially I'm asking. 2A minus A I cap plus 0 J cap minus A K cap, right?
Yeah.
Understood? So this is your R vector at this point. Yes or no? R vector is opposite of this. This is really bad.
So,
Yeah, I'm not doing this.
can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Can't we say like because of the lower wala plate ऐसे है, like
There are names, so tell names.
okay wait, I'm gonna do it good. It's like this because of the down plate, and it's this because of the ABCD plate. So the resultant would be in this direction.
It's not a plate, it's a loop.
They're planes.
No. Oh, each side of plane is having length 2. Oh, they are planes.
So this isn't this
Oh.
supposed to be I plus k by root 2? I don't know. Because
Oh
like
yeah, they are total planes. They are not just. This is not a continuous loop. I thought it was a continuous loop like this.
sir, you're too smart.
Oh, this is a plane. So this is a okay, like this. So see, see, वो बोल रहा है, it's a easy question. There is figure ABCD and there is a plane CDEF. So see, if you have a square plane or whatever, square or rectangle, whatever, if the plane is carrying current like this at a point P, which is center पे ऊपर है,
So
center
the
पे
arrow
ऊपर है.
should be the other way for the last one, no? The one bottom.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
Wait, I just had a doubt. So if it's like moving across two planes, it can't be like a loop. So that's the logic, or?
One second, एक एक करके. हाँ, अभी क्वेश्चन पूछो, क्या है तुम्हारा? Yeah.
Yeah, even I thought it was a loop because it showed the entire. So
तो मैंने
thing,
क्योंकि क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ा था ना.
So it says planes. That means the current is just going
वो
to stay in
गलत
one
लूप.
plane. This
अच्छा ओके, प्लेन नहीं, लूप है एक्चुअली, उन्होंने भी गलत लिखा है. ठीक है, यहाँ देख at point
So before
P.
you go ahead, the question to your electric field at the point due to EF, I got that, but do you know the answer? Like if I can.
No, I don't know. We can arrive at the answer, but I don't know.
Okay. Can you do that after this?
Yeah, we can do after this at 8 o'clock. Okay.
Bruh.
EFC, due to EF, it will be like this. Yes or no?
Yeah.
After due to FG, I don't know. I should make it 3D, but
Wait, I didn't get why due to EF in that way. Isn't it upward, outward?
Oh wait, won't it be 4 times the thing on EF?
No.
Because the sides are also all equal, right? He said
नहीं,
2A.
but इसका direction अलग है ना. देखो, due to this, it is like this. Due to this wire, GH.
No, but it's like the same thing. Like, oh no, but it's not the center of the square.
So I'm not getting the direction.
What are you doing? I'm confused.
I am also.
Why can't my logic work in this?
Your logic is perfectly fine.
So won't
What is
it
it?
be same?
It's easy. I don't know if it makes sense though.
You get the correct answer.
अच्छा, very simple. Let me ask very simple questions. इतना difficult नहीं पूछता हूँ. Simple question का answer बताओ पहले. Now I'll make the wires and I'll make a wire, okay, and I'll ask you what is the magnetic field, what is the direction of magnetic field of this wire at some point. So this is your x-axis, x, and this is y, and this is positive z, okay, and the wire is like this.
Sir, don't change the notation, please. Put Z on top and Y there. Otherwise, we'll get confused more like later.
वो question तो छोड़ दो अब.
Yeah, but like generally they put Z on top.
तो ये भी तो
I don't know
सही
why,
है ना.
but yeah.
लो, ठीक है.
Thank you.
अब देखो, अब the wire is suppose like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm asking you at 3 points, what is the direction of magnetic field? If you can answer this, then it's fine. So this is a point, this is a point, and this is a point. First you tell me P, Q, and R, and everything has a distance A from the origin. And what is the coordinate of P?
A comma 0 for P.
Team bol, team.
0.
Oh, sorry. 0.
Q?
0 comma A comma 0.
0 0 8.
Yeah, 0
0
0.
0 8.
0 comma 0.
ठीक है?
A 0.
और चलो S का कितना है?
A 0.
A 0, very good.
A 0, yeah.
E कितना है?
0
0
minus
A. No, sorry, minus.
0
Yeah.
minus.
Yeah. Yeah.
Understood everyone?
Yeah.
So
इन सारे पॉइंट्स पे मुझे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन चाहिए, यूनिट वेक्टर चाहिए.
P doesn't have magnetic
He
field.
does, yeah.
ठीक है, तो 0. The magnetic field at P is in 0. It's 0.
Q is downwards.
Downwards, upwards मत बोलना, अब निकल के
Okay.
मारूंगा स्क्रीन से.
So it's into the plane, into
Can S
y.
be
फिर into the plane, out of the
It's
plane
into
मतलब
the
So
plane.
it's
Consider the
गधे
x,
गधे
y
जैसे
plane.
आंसर क्यों बोल रहे हो यार ये सब?
so
मैंने IJK
vector
दे दिया,
z.
IJK में आंसर चाहिए, मैंने यूनिट वेक्टर बोला है, स्पेसिफिकली यूनिट वेक्टर चाहिए.
For q it is minus k cap.
Yeah, minus k cap.
या किसको नहीं समझ में आया पूछो. What?
I didn't get it.
You understood उत्साह?
No.
देखो
Like I
बेटा,
got the logic you're using, but I'm not being able to do it.
देखो वो अपने 10th में अपने ने याद है वो किया था, बताता हूँ.
Yeah, I figured that out. I got that. Like Anushka told me. I got that. I know that. I know the. What?
One
the
second.
wrong list?
Sir, at q it was
मुझे
minus
वो
I
हाथ
cap.
चाहिए, मुझे वहाँ ये देखो हाथ चाहिए, मुझे हाथ चाहिए. तो अगर एक
Yeah, I got it.
हाथ से समझ में आ गया, अभी तो फिर समझ में
Yeah.
आना चाहिए ना कि क्यू पे किस तरफ होगा, नीचे की तरफ होगा ना तुम्हारा हाथ. तुम्हारा थंब जो है वो माइनस आई में है, एक्स में है, तो द फिंगर्स आर गोइंग एट क्यू, एट पॉइंट क्यू, दे आर गोइंग लाइक दिस, राइट, व्हिच इज माइनस के, राइट?
Yeah.
यस और नो? कूल.
Sir,
Oh.
r is minus I cap.
So at q it is minus k cap,
Okay,
At-
got it. Yeah.
at r it is
Minus I cap.
Isn't it J?
Isn't it
It's
J
just
cap?
J
Yeah,
cap.
it's
Just
J
J
cap.
cap.
Yeah.
it is plus j cap.
Oh, sorry, J cap, yeah.
S पे कितना है? S पे डायरेक्शन क्या है?
Can it be I plus what is that? J by root 2?
S पे. Are you sure?
I
you sure?
cap plus EJ.
No, it is minus. It is again minus k
Minus
cap.
Minus
K cap.
What
k
are you
cap,
doing?
right? Yeah.
भाई पॉइंट वायर के लिए
Two
पॉइंट Q और
direction.
पॉइंट S अलग थोड़ी ना है.
Yes.
Okay.
Any point on this line, मतलब
Sir,
infinite wire है
is
ना?
this R supposed to be minus J cap?
No, कौन सा डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव है? देखो ये वाला डायरेक्शन y का पॉजिटिव
Yeah.
अंदर जो
So
जा रहा है.
if you have to do it from X to Z, right?
छी. भाई देखो अनुष्का, the magnetic field around this wire is like this. बना दे रहा हूँ मैं, इसके बाद नहीं बताऊंगा.
Okay.
देखो ऐसा है, ये देखो ऐसे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है इसके आसपास. समझ में आया? तो अगर ऐसी है तो इस पॉइंट पे अंदर जा रही है ना ऐसी, और इस पॉइंट पे ऐसे जाती है ना, इस पॉइंट पे इट इज कमिंग आउट ऐसे, राइट? तो अगर मैं यहाँ पॉइंट बनाता हूँ, यहाँ सपोज x पॉइंट है, तो x पे किस तरफ है?
Minus J cap.
Minus j cap. Anushka, you understood or not? Anushka Das.
Wait, I'm thinking. 1 second.
देखो अच्छा सुनो, इस वाले फिगर को ना, इस वाले फिगर को हम ऐसे देखते हैं कि हमारी आंख इधर है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
जब आंख इधर है तो अपने को ऐसा दिखाई देगा कि अगर आंख इधर होगी ना तो ऊपर z होगा और राइट साइड में y होगा ना. हाँ, तो आंख इधर है तो ऊपर z दिखाई देगा और राइट साइड में y दिखाई देगा ना. और वायर तुम्हारे आंख से ही जा रहा है ना. समझ में आया? ट्राई टू री इमेजिन दिस फिगर. और r
I
पॉइंट
got
यहाँ
it, sir.
होगा
I got it,
और
sir.
q पॉइंट यहाँ होगा और x पॉइंट यहाँ होगा. अंडरस्टूड?
Yeah. I got
And the
it.
magnetic field is going like this, right or wrong? ऐसे जा रही है ना, circular about the wire. अगर circular जा रही है तो the magnetic field at point x is what? Minus j cap, yes?
Yeah.
At q it is minus k cap and at z it is plus j cap. Understood?
Yeah.
Everyone, ये समझ में आ गया?
Sir, is T I cap plus I cap?
J, no.
नहीं यार, t पे.
It's the same as R.
No, it is t. देखो
It's-
कहाँ है?
It's T is
कहाँ
minus
है?
J cap, right? Isn't it?
t देखो इधर इसमें बताओ t कहाँ है? देखो ध्यान से,
Show
t
the
का
figure
पॉइंट क्या है? 0 माइनस से a, तो इसमें t किधर है? t इधर है ना.
Yeah.
Yeah.
समझ में आया? t is here, right? अगर t here है तो इस पे magnetic field will be like this, no?
Yeah.
What is this direction?
J cap.
ये
Wait, it's
इक्वल है ना
Minus
दोनों
I
पे.
cap.
Okay.
I plus
I.
J.
देखो I क्यों बोल रहे हो गधों? ये कौन सा प्लेन है? ये कौन सा प्लेन है?
K
YZ.
Oh,
ये
so
जेके
Z
प्लेन है
Y.
ना, जेके।
K and J, हाँ.
JK.
हाँ तो ये जे में ऐसा है और के में भी ऐसा है ऊपर,
Hmm.
तो क्या है जे प्लस के, और यूनिट
K.
वेक्टर चाहिए था तो बाय √2।
So I have a doubt.
1 सेकेंड, पहले ये इतना सम पहले तो रुक जा, ये समझ में आया?
Yeah.
जे प्लस के बाय √2 समझ में किसको नहीं आया ये?
But when we wait, go back to the figure. Go back
रुको
to the
पहले,
actual
हाँ
figure.
ठीक है। सो मैंने एक पॉइंट टी पे बना देता हूँ, जे प्लस पहले
No,
लिख
so
देता हूँ
like
यहाँ
when
पे।
we said for S, we
Yeah.
said minus k cap. So for T, why is
वन
it some
सेकेंड
complicated thing?
देखने दो एस। तुम मुझे इसका आंसर तुम मुझे बताओ, अगर एस पॉइंट में बनाऊंगा, ठीक
You
है?
only said minus k cap.
अच्छा
Yeah,
क्यों?
X should T should be minus J cap.
Even I
right?
thought S is minus k cap.
वन
Only, so
सेकेंड
T also should be
एक
the
एक
same.
करके आ रहा है। 1 सेकेंड, एक वन लाइन फर्स्ट बोलो, क्या बोल रहे हो?
Am I speaking now?
या बोलो।
Okay, so for S, I thought minus k cap only, and it turned out to be minus k cap.
या करेक्ट।
So for T, why is it this j cap plus k cap by √2? Shouldn't it be the same, something same as S, but only like another
Okay,
plane?
you
So
have
the thing would be different.
you have seen the diagram.
Yeah.
Okay.
J.
If you make this whole diagram, if you make this whole circular diagram at point P, you will get point P and point S in the same plane, right?
Yeah, point P. And
Yeah.
point.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो क्या होगा फिर आंसर पॉइंट P पे? तब मतलब समझ में आ रहा है तुमको कि नहीं? अभी यहाँ पे पॉइंट नहीं समझ में आया। इधर देखो, ये जो डायग्राम बना है ये उस प्लेन पे बना है, दैट YZ plane. There are many YZ planes, right?
Yeah.
This diagram is on that YZ plane where x is equal to 0.
Yeah.
But when you ask for S, I should make a YZ plane for which x equal to 2a.
Okay.
Understood? नहीं 2a की a. I think a. Just a. मैंने a लिया ना.
Yeah, just consider. Yeah.
तब S उस प्लेन में आ जाएगा ना.
Yeah, but why isn't then T like just take it from the y-axis? No.
Take it from the y-axis.
मतलब take a point on the y-axis.
Take a point on the y-axis. Y-axis मतलब यहाँ पे point लूँ.
हाँ, where just perpendicular below T.
मतलब तुम ये बोल रहे हो सर यहाँ पे point लो. यहाँ point लो ना, हाँ.
Yeah. So
तो
why is it not?
मैंने मान लो इस point का नाम है n. n पे क्यों सेम? वो तुमको दिख नहीं रहा. n पे ऊपर की तरफ है ना मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ये सर्कल ऐसे बन रहा है ना. नहीं समझ में आया? और यहाँ पे कैसा है इस पॉइंट पे? समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Okay. Somewhat, but yeah, fine.
ठीक है. Okay. अच्छा, अभी एक और बताओ, इसी में डायग्राम में बताओ मुझे कि अगर मैं चलो n का लिख लिया तुमने. n का क्या डायरेक्शन है? n पे
K cap.
प्लस k कैप.
Yeah, k cap.
अमोघ,
Awesome.
tell me your birth date.
Date, mine 24.
2a, 4a, 0. बताओ यहाँ पे what is the direction of magnetic field at this point?
The same as S, right? So minus k cap.
It is same as S. देखने दो. X पे 2a, Y पे 4a. It is same as S, right? Everyone understood?
Yeah.
Amoga, you understood? Okay.
Yeah.
You tell me your birth date.
Wait, did you say mine?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2.
क्या?
1, 2.
आगे
Oh,
कुछ?
you are also 12, huh? Nice.
1a, 2a. आगे क्या है? मंथ क्या है?
0, 6.
0 नहीं 6k.
Oh, it's coming.
Yeah, that's why I
1a,
wasn't
2a,
saying.
6k. अब मुझे बताओ कि इस पॉइंट पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड उत्साह.
Okay, I'm going to take time, so you'll have to wait.
Yeah, fine. We have time.
So.
बोलो बेटा.
So it's
नहीं, आंसर मत बोलना, उसको बोलने दो. अगर तुमको आंसर बोलना है कात्यायनी तो अपना बर्थ डेट बोल दो. This is उत्साह, this is कात्यायनी. 16 आगे.
Jan 01.
0KA और फिर आगे बोल दो. 94 no, so 94k. 94 है.
What?
Sure. Thank you.
What?
16 है, 0A, 94 है.
Yeah.
This is for Katyani and for Mohan. Mohan is
It's
What
Bengali.
is the
17.
problem in life?
2A.
He's
Wait, why is it
making his
2?
own. He's
17.
making his own.
Sure, change my birth date. Cool,
5A
cool.
Bengali.
I didn't sign up.
Sir,
E
who's
N.
born in 1994?
5A Bengali. What?
I'll explain you later.
Is mine plus J cap?
Plus J. Let me 1 second. I'll also take time to don't worry. It's a 2A, 5A, and 7A. Yeah, because he's always in AP. Next M, and then you have
He's always in
Amogha.
what? No, he's always in what?
Nothing. And then you have one more Adi ka hua.
Just giving them birthday.
6A, 0A, minus 4A.
Thanks for the rebirth.
Adi. And
6.
so someone
That's
is minus
6
4
Jan 2000. Oh, minus 4. Oh shit.
BC, that's BC, man.
Sir,
Want to see Jesus.
can I ask you
Talking
what
of
my
Jesus,
answer is?
I remember Amog. So, Amog,
जी सर
0A, 0A, 0A.
Bruh.
चलो एक एक करके उत्साह का देखते हैं, ठीक है. 1A,
What the hell
2A.
is that 0 thing?
देखो पहले बात तो सुनो. 6K का कुछ भी 6K मतलब ऊपर जा रहा है ना.
Yeah.
उत्साह का आंसर देखें सबसे पहले. उत्साह का आंसर है 1A, 2A, 6K. 1A में यहाँ पे 1A, 2A मतलब यहाँ पे, और 6K ऊपर चला गया ना.
Yeah, so
Oh
plus
my
S.
God, if you देखो इससे तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा A से ना.
Yeah.
All of you can delete your ये वाला ना, है ना.
Bruh, that's even worse.
मतलब it does not
Why
matter,
can
right?
you delete that?
I mean because ये इन्फिनिट वायर है, इसमें कहाँ पे तुम इस एक्स एक्सिस पे कहीं मूव करते रहो, उससे फर्क थोड़ा पड़ेगा,
हाँ, okay, yeah,
है ना.
that way. हाँ.
तो only you have to care about 2 and 6. 2 and 6 in this diagram it will be 2 इधर और 6 ऊपर ना.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is not easy. So it will be like this, no? See, if this vector is 2j plus 6k, right? Then this vector is perpendicular to that, right? 90 degree.
Yeah.
Yes or no? So it should be.
Tilted from Mike.
हाँ देखो tilt कैसे निकालेंगे, देखो ये पॉइंट है 2,6 ना, ये थीटा है. तो बस इसका कितना निकालना है, ये 90 माइनस थीटा है और ये थीटा है. यस और नो? तो आंसर बता दो कितना हो गया ये. देखो बेटा इसमें देखो ये थीटा क्या था, देखो ये 2 और ये 6 था ना.
Yeah.
सो दिस वाज इन दिस वेक्टर में, ये वाला वेक्टर ये 2 है, ये 6 है, और ये tan थीटा सेम है ना. सो वोंट इट बी जस्ट tan theta is same, so this is 6 and this is 2, right? So won't it be 2i minus 2 ये वाला डायरेक्शन क्या है, j, right? Minus 6k. Yes or no? समझ में आया कि नहीं? देखो आराम से देखो, थोड़ी देर समझ में आएगा. ये j है, ये k है, ये पॉइंट है 2,6, and the vector which is perpendicular to this vector is this vector.
okay.
One second, I'll draw it with the vector which is perpendicular to this is this vector, right? And this angle is theta. This theta.
How is it minus?
Oh, 1 second. ये theta है क्या? गलत कर दिया मैंने.
Yeah, but
Yeah, I've done it wrong. If this is theta, this is 90 minus theta.
Yeah.
And this is theta.
Yeah, correct. Because of perpendicular.
So therefore, I should correct it. So I'll explain again from starting, scratch. The point was 2,6 on this axis j and k, and this point was 2,6. And if you join this by a vector like this is your r vector, and therefore it is perpendicular to this like this, right? So if this is theta, then this is theta, right? And tan theta is how much? 6/2, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
That means this vector is 6 unit and this vector is 2 unit, right?
2,
for this, for the component of these two vectors. that means it is 6 times 6 in this and 2
J cap.
here, right? So 6 j cap minus 2 k cap. Understood?
I never
Cool.
thought I'd hit my birthday.
6 j cap minus 2 k cap. Understood?
Yeah.
ना
Yeah,
सबको
yeah.
समझ में आ
So
गया ये
can
6
we
j cap?
do this directly by looking at the direction का vector and just
Yeah,
making
why
everything?
can't we do that?
I mean, see क्या था इसका 2, इसका क्या था डायरेक्शन 2j plus 6k था ना?
Yeah, then it became 6j minus 2.
अच्छा मैं बोलूंगा फिर अच्छा minus 6j plus 2k क्यों नहीं है? समझ में आया? पता है बट या योर लॉजिक इज करेक्ट. तुम बोल सकते हो सर माइनस 6j plus 2k ऑब्वियसली नहीं है क्योंकि वो ऐसे होता है ना. माइनस 6j plus 2k ऐसे होता है ना ऑपोजिट. तो हाँ तुम बोल सकते हो यस दिस इज अ फास्टर मेथड. जस्ट इसका उल्टा कर दो. माइनस यहाँ पे 6 दोनों को नेगेटिव करना है बस ना. और नेगेटिव करने के दो ऑप्शन है या तो ये वाला या तो ये वाला, राइट? और उसमें से ये वाला चलेगा ना. नहीं समझ में आया कहते हैं?
Yeah, bro.
चलो इसका आंसर इसका कात्यायनी का आंसर कितना है? 0a94 है. बोलो 0a y पे 0 z पे 94. अरे बहुत इजी है इसका. तो कितना है कात्यायनी?
That y.
j cap, राइट?
J cap.
Yeah. J
ठीक है
cap.
हो गया. अमुक तेरा आंसर कितना है? 7.
That's Mohan, sir.
मोहन सॉरी.
So if anything has a zero, it becomes easy, right?
Infinity, yeah, it becomes easy. Yes, you wish for more zeros like Amoghas.
Whose is this 0 is 0 is 0?
Oh
This is-
god.
Okay.
Mine just has a zero. This origin.
This is Jesus.
OG.
Baby
Ain't never
Jesus.
but time for that. Jesus. इसका आंसर बोल कितना है जल्दी?
Wait, I'm thinking. Wait.
7k.
It is what? K cap?
5
Is
or
it?
7? 5 or 7?
7k 5j sign I don't know.
साइन ऑफ कोर्स दोनों एक दूसरे का उल्टा है ना.
हाँ.
तो 5 7j और 5k ना. अब किस में होना चाहिए डायरेक्शन? ऐसा होना चाहिए. तो j में पॉजिटिव k में नेगेटिव, राइट? नहीं समझ में आया क्या?
No, can you explain again?
Bro.
हाँ जी.
अच्छा देख इधर देख. दिस इज डायग्राम में. इस डायग्राम में कहाँ आएगा 5 या 6 है? किस क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा? फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ? बोल मोहन. बोल आज.
What was the coordinates again? 5 what? 5a, 5 and what? 7.
You don't remember your birthday or what?
That's not my birthday. Made it up.
5,7 या 5,7 है.
No, you
किस
didn't.
क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा
Seriously think
इधर?
I'm Jesus.
या इस डायग्राम में
2a.
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा ना.
Yeah. Okay.
हाँ 5,7. तो इसका जो पॉइंट होगा वो ऐसे होगा ना इस डायरेक्शन में. द 90
Hey, you wrote 5,9 though.
अरे भाई ठीक है चुप रहे यार. समझता नहीं भावनाओं को. 5 या 7 है ये. इसमें इसका जो होगा j किस तरफ होगा? j इज पॉजिटिव एंड k इज नेगेटिव, राइट?
Yeah.
और 0 भी करना है तो क्या होगा? 7j minus 5k. समझ में आ गया?
Okay. All right. Fine.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
अच्छा
I got it.
आदि तेरा आंसर कितना है?
Isn't it the
Don't.
I cap.
I cap.
Yeah.
I cap नहीं भाई. I cap में तो कोई मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन ही नहीं है. इसका आंसर है तुम्हारा j cap. माइनस j cap. माइनस j. बेटा -4 पॉइंट इधर है ना. देख 6a पे तो x एक्सिस पे फर्क पड़ता नहीं है. 0x 0j मतलब y पे 0 है और z पे कितना है? -4. यानी x की तरह पॉइंट है ना. x की तरह पॉइंट है तो उसका डायरेक्शन क्या है? -j. अंडरस्टूड?
Yeah. Okay.
ओके ठीक है. और ये जीसस मैरी प्लीज
बताओ.
आंसर बोलो.
come on?
Thinking, sir. Wait, like, I mean.
Are you?
I cap 0, J cap 0, K cap.
Hold on. Judas was a traitor, no? Judas was a traitor.
So is it K cap? Is
No,
it
it is. See, the magnetic field is 0, right?
I know. I'm simply saying it.
So this is null vector.
Believed also.
Null vector. Okay.
For a second, everyone was like, RF has gone down.
RF became big dumb.
Don't need to become what you already are. Amoga, you had a doubt?
No.
Okay.
Sir, उस question का
I know
answer.
you're doubting me, yeah.
किस क्वेश्चन का आंसर?
Right?
You
वो
didn't
तो मैं
confirm.
नहीं बता रहा, वो तो मैं नहीं बता रहा बेटा.
Thank
अपने
you,
आप कर
sir.
लेना. 1 second, bros. Just do this. One more question, then you go. You
Why
do this
bros?
one. Fifth one you do.
Bros, that's too much, bros.
No, this is
So
not.
you can
Broski,
send this to
bro.
us.
Bros.
You do this and then you go.
Bro.
चुप रह. कर.
Hey, bro.
Sir,
This is
आपको,
easy.
you know we can do this.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. You have to do it.
Bro.
Who says we can do this?
No,
Yeah,
no,
you're
like
answering.
assume. Have
सुनो
faith.
सुनो.
Bro.
इसमें जो डायग्राम है ना वो ये थीटा है. मतलब this angle is theta. Okay.
RF alcohol pull.
No,
और
I
इसको
can't.
और each distance is r. These all the three distances are r. Now you do it. You तुम एक बार में सही आंसर दे दो फिर मैं बात करूंगा.
Sir, where is point O, sir?
I have a
ये
feeling
है
I
ना
can't
पॉइंट.
do question.
यहीं तो कर पता से तुम भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन करते हो. यहीं पे बता लो और कहीं पे तुम्हारा है हिम्मत कहीं पे बता दो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड.
Bro, but is that on the wire point O?
हाँ. इस वायर से तो फर्क पड़ता नहीं. इस वायर से फर्क पड़ता नहीं. इस वायर से
Yeah,
फर्क पड़ता
okay.
नहीं.
Yeah.
तब भी बोलते हो सर कर तो लेंगे. करो जल्दी से करो.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
You add 2 because of these wires and then you minus 1.
I don't think you do.
Yeah, you do. You add the two ones that move in the same direction and you minus the opposite direction.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
That's what I said there.
ठीक
I
है
don't
ठीक है.
know.
जल्दी.
It sounds stupid from your
चलो
mouth.
डिस्कस करके आंसर निकाल लो. पर आंसर निकाल लो प्लीज. मुझे भी
Okay,
कहना है.
fast, come on.
The
What has 4 legs but can't walk?
so wait.
A table, a chair.
Your
कैसे
brain.
कौन पूछता है यार?
NEP.
A
वहाँ
monkey
काटे
is
आए
by
नहीं तो
chasing
और
the top of a who will get the banana first, the monkey, the squirrel, or the bird? क्या बकवास है क्या क्वेश्चन? A monkey, a squirrel and a bird are racing to the top of a coconut tree. Who will get the banana first? A monkey,
Sir,
squirrel,
आप
or the
इतने
bird?
बेवकूफी की चीजें देख रहे हो.
Bro, it's talk for life.
Too much physics we did, so we're getting all questions.
Yeah. Answer बताओ इसका जल्दी.
Ashish will get like speed and all, and then angle with which projectile motion.
Why is an island like the letter T? यार इतना
So is it
गंदा
option C?
आंसर कैसे आया?
The
You?
hunch.
Sir,
Because, like,
Amoga has been annotating, sir.
Who, me or?
Annotating.
Hey,
Yeah,
I'll
bro.
let you.
We can see an arrow, bro.
That's not me.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm not kidding you. That's not me. I'm having a sandwich now. I'll show you video also.
Okay, I believe you.
Where is this going?
Okay. Damn cool scene.
Put an arrow mark pointing to the option, no?
I'll hit you. That's not me. I'm not kidding, dude. I don't
Sir, I
use
think it's
Ubuntu. That's
C
not
only.
my mouse.
Sir can move that stuff that's being annotated around, bro, but you did it.
Oh shit. Okay, I understood what happened. I clicked. Oh damn! I clicked on the screen
Yeah.
accidentally. Shit. Sorry. That is me. That is me.
आंसर बता दो. अच्छा ले जाओ.
He
I
said C.
think
though.
it's C.
सी कैसे किया है? तो सबको
So
आया
it's
कि नहीं?
just
बस
a
वही बोल
hunch.
रहा है. हाँ, अरे यार हंच नहीं यार.
Sir, आपने
Sir,
बोला
a
मिल
very
के
strong
बता.
hunch. A very strong hunch. And also, sir,
Okay,
the
okay. Yeah,
option
strong
has a
hunches
root.
are actually strong hunches are admitted in the exam. Yeah, correct. Okay, so this is this theta by 2 pi because theta is the angle into mu naught I by theta by 2 pi into mu naught I by 2r होता है ना? 2r. Now 2r this sorry, eraser. Due to this, it is inside, right? Inside, no?
Yeah, it's
Then
inside.
this is outside, no? So minus minus
you
mu
add
naught
you add two
I
of
by
them,
4r, right?
Hmm.
And then plus mu naught I by
6r.
r, अरे 2r, हाँ 6r, right? Because वो 2 already है ना उसमें. So
Yeah.
ठीक है. Mu naught I by r theta by 2 pi 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6, right? This is 612 to 6 minus 3 plus 2. 6 minus 3 कितना? 5 by 12, 5 by 24, right? So it is 5 by 24, and of course the answer will be minus k cap.
Yeah.
So this should be the answer. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Wait a second. Wait, where's the axis given?
Where is the axis? मतलब
Like,
इसमें
how do you-
assume किया है कि this is I, this is J, and बाहर निकलता है वो K.
Inside
बस
it's
करो.
always minus.
Okay, fine.
ADHD पता है तुम लोग को क्या होता है? 2 बच्चे हैं क्लास में, उनको ADHD है. और एक को तो ज्यादा ही ADHD है. चलो बाय बाय. अच्छा सुनो, ये वाला जो PDF है ना, इसको ट्राई करना, ठीक है? हो जाए.
Leave before he gives us homework. Damn it.
बाय बाय.
So
ओके.
bye bye, sir. Connection problem.
जितने हो
So
जाए
I
उतने
have
कर
a
लेना.
doubt.
या
Even I have doubt.
ओके, आस्क.
So you know when you were doing the 3 like with x y z, right, points, like a point with x y z, how do you like I didn't exactly understand how you get the direction.
I was going to ask that. I was staying back for that. I thought I'll ask you again because I'm still not very sure.
Are you asking me in this diagram? ये वाला point?
The one which you do with the bird dates,
Yeah,
right? I'm
like
still not very sure.
those points. How do you do it? Like I'm getting confused. Could you do it properly and show
Still
me?
not very sure. Same.
So I had a
axis,
doubt that
this is
why
x
did you
axis.
ignore the x thingy?
क्योंकि x पे तो इन्फिनिट वायर है ना. देखो इन्फिनिट वायर है तुम्हारे सामने, तो तुम इन्फिनिट वायर में चाहे x पे 0 पे खड़े हो चाहे x = 2 पे खड़े हो, फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है ना. Because when you see, if you are see in this diagram, if you are standing at x = 0 and you see left side right side, you will see infinite wire both sides na.
Okay.
And you will stand at x = 2 also, वही दिखाई देगा ना.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter, it doesn't make a difference due to the x axis. और let us see. अच्छा, इसको सिंपल क्वेश्चन समझो. मैं क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली तुम लोग को ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर कैसे निकाला है ना. तुम दोनों को ये नहीं समझ में आया है ना परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर कैसे निकाला है.
Yeah.
मैं तुमसे वो सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ कि एक पॉइंट है, ये ज्योमेट्री का क्वेश्चन, इट इज नॉट इवन फिजिक्स का वेक्टर क्वेश्चन. मैं तुमको ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि 2,3 पॉइंट है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
2,3 पॉइंट से यहाँ पे वेक्टर बनाया. 1 सेकंड रुकिए.
Wait, mark the axis. Right.
अरे भाई वो सब छोड़ो, ये x है ये y है, ठीक है? इजी है भी.
Okay, fine.
ये x है ये y है. ये वेक्टर बनाया और इस वेक्टर का परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर बनाया ऐसे. अब मुझे बताओ इसका डायरेक्शन क्या है. बस सिंपल ज्योमेट्री, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री.
Wait, current is the blue one or which one is it?
करंट छोड़ो. मैं तुमको एक रेड वेक्टर दिया हूँ, तुमको ब्लू वेक्टर का डायरेक्शन चाहिए, बस सब छोड़ दो.
Wait, what?
अरे यार मेरे को तुमको ब्लू वेक्टर बताओ कितना है पहले.
Is it -2 j cap plus 3 I cap?
बहुत सारे मेथड है इसको करने के. ये थीटा है. तो देखो ये वेक्टर क्या है, 2i + 3j है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. और ये वेक्टर देखो इसके परपेंडिकुलर है. हाँ देखो ये थीटा है, तो ये भी थीटा हुआ. हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? परपेंडिकुलर है क्योंकि.
So that's again 2/3 and then so it'll be what 2j cap minus 3
tan 3/2 ना
plus 3k cap, right?
3/2 ये होगा ना. देखो इस यहाँ पे tan थीटा 3/2 था, तो ये भी 3/2. So 3i cap minus 2j cap. Understood? नहीं समझ में आया?
Isn't it plus 2j cap?
नहीं यार देख, ये वेक्टर ऐसा है ना नीचे की तरफ. तो इसके कंपोनेंट दो हैं, एक ये वाला है और एक ये वाला है. ये बंद करो.
Okay. Fine.
ये वाला वेक्टर कितना है? ये देखो tan थीटा कितना है? 3/2. तो ये 3 और ये 2 है ना.
Yeah. Okay.
तो ये x प्लस i में 3i है और माइनस j में कितना? -2j.
Yeah. Okay.
समझ में आ गया ये 3i - 2j क्यों है? और इसका यूनिट वेक्टर लिखना है तो 3i - 2j डिवाइड बाय रूट
by 3, yeah.
समझ में आ गया ये भी?
Yeah, 9 पे, yeah, 4 to 13, yeah.
Okay. और कुछ?
Yeah, I had sent some doubts.
Okay, I got it. Okay, thanks.
अनुष्का दास. Okay. नहीं, तुमने कहाँ भेजा है?
In the group, students doubt group.
Okay.
You said you're gonna explain
One
in
second,
the
I'm pausing the first stop.